Walk one again, unstoppable family. So people, coffee. And no, I'm not talking about the coffee we drink a morning time with breakfast. A bowl of boiling coffee in the morning. No, I'm talking about Koffee the singer, the Jamaican artist. The one who put Jamaica on the map again with our music. The one who is now the new face of Jamaican Rastafarian according to Foota hype.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. No, unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, unstoppable family. So people, as you may know, Koffee did reggae sumfest recently, and in my opinion, Koffee did an okay job. Foota nobody come for me, because while I may say that there are some who don't believe Koffee did a good performance at reggae sumfest, and by some I mean Foota hype. So Foota hype did a review of what he thought about Koffee's performance at reggae sumfest, and him also talk a little bit about her dressing and say Koffee dressing really aggravate him. Yes, Foota says so. Well, people, me gonna make you take a listen to what Foota say. But before that, if this is your first time to Unstoppable TV and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, where you wait pan, hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. Let's listen to what Foota say.
When we don't talk today, some people are gonna just hate me, but that's just the truth. You see? Everybody knows here. On the international market now, Koffee have the big song Toast and she have Rapture. And she's the most talked about person right now in the international space. Big artist. Can't take that from her. She get the Grammy, which is a good achievement. But enough people don't understand that Grammy is not based on sales, you know. Grammy is like a gift, you know. Grammy is like So Koffee is now the international face of reggae. See? Koffee is now the international face of Rastafarian from Jamaica. She take over from Chronix them and Protege them and the whole of them. And Koffee is so-called brand Jamaica now. So last night, no, but I talk about sumfest. Me have to, acknowledge that she did on the show. Me never impressed with Koffee performance. Me just have to be honest now. Who I hate me. I just the truth me I speak now. Me never impressed with Koffee performance. To me, I don't think Koffee is a good performer. She's very talented, lyrical. Her song them bad. In terms of performance, I don't think Koffee is a good performer. Koffee is a good performer. You understand what I say? Last night, Koffee stand up in one part of the stage the whole night. She not do nothing different. She just sing the song them like how them dip on record. Me not see nothing different about her performance at all. She just sing the song them and the song them big. Yo, me not want to excuse, but she's still young. Me not want to hear that QQ boss when him a 6 or 7 year old and him like every show when him go up on. Me not want to hear that. Me not want to hear that. Now give me a lame excuse, but she young. Koffee not young. Koffee about 20. Koffee no, she do this for a minute now. You understand me I say? She not going good. She not perform good, Bridget. And the new song where she have, it look like somebody write that song there for Koffee because the key higher than what she normally sing. And you can see that she that struggle with the key last night. You understand what I say? The new song. You understand? She it high, the key higher, she sing the key, she fight for catch the key. You understand what I say? So Me feel like we not overhype Koffee too, you know. Yeah, me feel like we not overhype Koffee and it's gonna give her pressure. It's gonna make she under pressure to deliver. Because, you see me, and everybody different. You can't be rated as the best if you are not the best. When I stop finding lame excuse when people not live up to the expectation. She don't perform good last night, bitch. She performed, but she not perform good. You understand what I say? It's just the truth. One want me to come back and tell her, oh, Koffee was amazing. She wasn't amazing. She sing the song them just like how she sing them on the record, and that's it. There was nothing more to her performance, and I don't like the clothes that she wear. Me not like what she wear. As a matter of fact, Koffee dressing aggravate me every fucking day. So me just thought the truth. I'm not business when nobody want to say. If I represent reggae and dancehall on the face of Jamaica, me not like it. If she can represent it on the world stage, she have to learn how to perform. She not perform good. The song them big, you know, some big giant song she have. We can't take that from her. Toast big, rapture big, and everybody know of Koffee. But she not perform good. The stage big, so one big old stage. And Koffee just stand up in the middle of the stage. She moves so like probably 3 centimeters for the whole night. She not feature like she perform for your audience. She not give it an impact like she move the crowd or she feel the energy or whatever. I don't know. And this is not it. This is not a bad mind. This is not none of that. You understand what I say? But it's just the truth of the matter. She not perform good. She sing her song them. Singing her song them and performing is 2 different things. Give one of them wipes them more. I'm just mash up that mango, you know. Right now. Yeah, she not perform good. Remember, you know, a Foota hype are doing review, you know. Remember me know music and I like nobody can come cuss and but Foota, you don't know what you say. Me know me I say me a professional. Me I do this for years. What Koffee do, I just a regular thing. She sing her song them. You understand? She not work good. And if you represent dancehall and reggae on the international stage, competing with Alison Hines and Bungie Carlin and Wizkid them and Afrobeat them and Burna Boy them and she can't, I don't say it work. You can't compete for it on the world stage at that level there. Can't work. Just come out there, come sing a song them. Just come out there, come sing the song, so just like it's given a record. No form of performance, nothing. No, sir. That not good.
Well, you don't know me already. Me firmly believe that everybody have the right to feed them own opinion. So yes, that is Foota Hype's right. So nobody bash him too bad in the comment section. Cause me know no go already. You know gonna say Foota allow the girl, make the girl do what she do. Foota your bad mind, Foota your chat too much, Foota. Me know no go already. But as me say, Foota opinion is Foota opinion, right? Just as how you have yours, me have mine, Foota have one too. Zine, as me say, in my opinion, Koffee did a good job. I'm gonna tell you something too. Foota say the girl they on the stage and she a perform and she only a perform the songs just as how them record on CD. Well, me gonna tell you something. Me like that. Because you can't think of the artists them where when them go on stage them sound totally different from when you listen to it. The recording sound way off. Because I know every artist can actually go on stage, go perform them song and make it sound the same way like it sound when you listen to it in your car or on your speaker box, you know. No, it annoy me, it aggravate me. When time me I hear some artists they on stage live and me I say, Lord God man, that not sound like Because some artists just can't perform it like how it sound on CD. So me have to give Koffee thumbs up for that one day because when Koffee dey on stage just sing, she sound just like how she sound on the recording. So thumbs up for that. But me also can understand where Foota come from too. Foota say, yo, she need to probably work the stage more, you know, instead of just moving back and forth and in a one spot. You understand? Me can get what I say about that, right? Well, him say, don't make no excuse for her because she had do it long enough. But as me say, once again, Foota opinion is Foota opinion. We can't take that from him. You understand? So, Koffee, big up yourself. Go on do your thing. Foota, big up yourself. Go on do your thing. Viewers, talk to me down in the comment section. Let me hear your thoughts on this one. More to hear from you. See your opinion. More hear it. Alright, watch on the man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. Alright, until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.